Hi everyone. Today we're announcing the launch of D3 Security on the SentinelOne Singularity Marketplace. To find the joint solution guide, go to the SentinelOne website. Navigate to Platform and Singularity Marketplace. Scroll down to the Technology Partners, and here you'll find D3 Security. This joint solution guide outlines how to set up the connection and some sample use cases to get you started. The integration between SentinelOne and D3 Security combines the best in endpoint detection and response with the best in security orchestration, automation, and response for a full end-to-end incident response solution. Now we'll go over how to set up an integration and how to use the integration commands in automated playbooks. Back inside of Smart SOAR, I'll show you how to set up the integration. Go to the configuration module, and on the left-hand side under integrations, type in SentinelOne. When the integration pops up, the first module on the top here will be connections. You can hit add new connection or edit an existing one. All integrations require a connection name, and for SentinelOne you need the server URL and API token. Once that's good to go, you can hit test connection and add. Once the connection is up and running, you can use any of the SentinelOne integration commands in a playbook like this. Here we use 4 commands in the analysis stage to get additional information on an agent, agent process, the threat, and a file hash. Then the user is prompted whether or not they want to quarantine either the agent or the hash, and there are various SentinelOne integration commands that will allow them to do that. Then we can incorporate other tools such as identity and network security tools to reset the user credential and block outbound access to an IP address. Once all that is done, we can go back to SentinelOne, we can start updating the detection module, and we can add notes to the threat before closing the incident. With the integration between SentinelOne and D3 Security Smart SOAR, you can combine the best EDR platform capabilities with the best security orchestration, automation, and response capabilities.